My name is Ed Hall, and I am the business development manager for HK Truck Center.
When I think of Ed Hall, I think persistent. He's a go-getter. He's always working and doesn't turn off. Very persistent, unbelievably persistent.
He's the reason our service department and parts department is thriving. He's the reason customers know we're here.
I'm old school. I believe in saying hello with a smile and donuts. Nothing more refreshing than that, right?
Ed got the title of Donut Man from basically force-feeding customers donuts until they love him and us. And it's worked very well.
He likes to bring sweets and treats to customers. That's the way to get his foot in the door. And who's gonna say no to a guy showing up with treats at your door? So
every day is different. It's not routine, and it makes it fun. My passions definitely influence how I do business because I care. When you see the expressions of people's faces on how you help them, that means a lot to us. It's been absolutely amazing working for HK. I wouldn't change it for the world.
In the interest of food safety and the overall public good, donuts were not actually made by Ed Hall. This reproduction is for illustrative purposes only and purely satire. Some donuts were harmed during the making of this video.